Hey guys, just got the kayak back from the last tournament of the year. So this was the last regular season tournament of the year. The last tournament I'll have will be the championship, which we're about a month and a half away from now. So check out the results of this tournament and the Angler of the Year results after this. Definitely a beautiful view right there. That fog rising off the water as the sun's starting to rise over the trees. The only thing that would make it better is a bite right now. Like that. Oh, that was a good fish. Oh, completely missed. Let's throw right back over there. See if we can get it to hit this time. All right, that's a good sign. 2 hits at top water. Finally got one to actually commit. Alright, 10-incher. That's a start. another one. Better than the first one. All right. We're gonna make a couple tosses with the frog real fast. He ate that crankbait good. All right, 12 and a half. That's fish number 3. There we go. All right, 13.75. It's the fattest fish so far. All right, guys, we're at the halfway point right now. So 4 more hours. So far, I'm at 4 fish. Have to get 1 more to hit a limit, and for sure need to eliminate at least one of my fish to be at least in the top. I would like to finish minimum top 10. There's 25 total fish in this, so that'd put me a little over top half, which I would be good with. Would love to fish top 5, but we'll see what happens. Ultimately, most of my fish have been caught on my 12 Oaks custom whopper ploppers. These are amazing whopper ploppers. They have some awesome colors, and again, He custom paints them, so he can paint them whatever color scheme you want. All right, got a limit now. Just got to get it measured. All right, 11 incher. That makes my 5. There we go. I don't know that it's going to cull anything. All right, 10.75. It's a 1/2 inch cull from my 10.25. Still not one I can end the day with if I want to end this tournament in the top 10, but getting a cull still feels good. All right, guys, 2 hours left. Got another one right here. There's a better cull. That'll get rid of that 10 incher. Still not a huge fish, but all right, 14 1/4. That's big fish for me so far today. All right, so sorry I wasn't recording for that last fish. I did catch the tail end of it, but didn't record the whole thing because I came around the corner and the wind was ripping so hard that I don't think I would have had any audio anyway, but hopefully I can record the rest of the catches today. There's another one. There we go. Pull out that other fish under 12. Ate that chatterbait really good. All right, there's a 13.75. Let's see where that puts me. Puts me at 67 3/4 inches. All right, now I need to catch a big fish. Really liking that dadfish tackle imitator on the back of a Mini Max chatterbait. Has a great profile, swims really well. Those claws really dance when it's moving in the water. Got a good hook set on that stick. Here we go. Let's see if this one will cull. All right, 13.25. Okay guys, last 30 minutes of the day. So far I'm not where I was really hoping to be, but again, I feel like I couldn't have fished any harder than what I have today. I've hit every area of this lake and tried almost every lure I have with me. Overall, I've gotten a lot of bites, just haven't landed anything good. A minute ago the camera was off again. The wind was really horrible, so turned it off for the audio and had a big fish come up and smack the chatterbait right as I was bringing it out of the water, but it didn't actually grab a hold, so no hook set at all. There we go. All right. Let's see if this one will cull or not. I'm not positive what I have left to cull. $12.25. I still need to cull a 13.25, so that did no good. Final cast.
All right, guys, that's a wrap.